It feels so good right now. Feeling so good right now. Yeah, yeah.
Hello guys, my name is Adam. We're back with another reaction to IKON, and this time we're gonna be reacting to Airplane. Yeah, I know I've learned a couple of the names thanks to all your comments, and I'm just trying to figure out a little bit more about these kids. The last time was all about their crazy rapping skills, and we have like really good vocals too. So let's see how this is moving forward, and yeah, I don't know what else to say. I haven't really got into that much into understanding these kids. Let's go. Airplane. Is this the same song of Ice One? Oh, a ballad? A rap ballad? Is that what's happening here? That sounds like the same dude. Oh, this one. That's B.I., right? I love his voice, dude. Okay, so we have some high school theme. Bobby and B.I. flirting with a girl. Oh, and you push her? Don't push her. She's gorgeous. Wow. If I'm right, that's Jay, right? Is this supposed to be an OST or this is an MV? Because why only B.I. and Bobby are being highlighted? What about the other kids? And that's Junie, right? Junie. Wow. Woo. His voice, man. I love his attitude. And I guess that chant. I'm saying because that's the only one that I haven't sung yet. I know DK too. I think that's DK, right? Not sure though. Wow. No subtitles. So is this supposed to be a love triangle? So if last time they showed me how good these kids rap, this one is all about their vocals. I love Choozy's style. Oh, is the girl gonna leave on an airplane? That's what's happening? Wow. Okay, this dude can sing too. It's not only about raps. Oh yeah, she is leaving. Oh, did she took off the batteries from the alarm clock? Of course, we have to have like a K-pop drama ending. And you lost her, dude. Oh, that's pretty sad, man. I thought it was gonna end well at the end, but I guess not. But what? Okay, these kids are starting to grow on me and literally showing more and more of what they are about. The first one, My Type, and then Rhythm Ha, I think the Rhythm Ta or something like that. That was the second one that we reacted to. And this Airplane, the third one. So we know that they have amazing choreographies, they can sing, they can rap. And now they can have like, they could hold a full sad ballad song with a kind of like a rap background, you know what I mean? Because it's a sad rap song. pretty cool. Like the whole idea, like the triangle. I don't know what happened there because like it was supposed to be a triangle between Bobby and Bi and this girl, but then Bobby was not there at the end. So I don't know, one of those like weird, super complex K-pop dramas that we normally I watch sometimes. Anyways, we're gonna be moving next to the next song of IKON, and yeah, like I'm getting there. You know what I mean? These kids definitely have a lot of I don't know right now how are they on on popularity in the in Korea and in internationally, but they have everything to be top. And Bi with his rapping and his singing because he didn't know that he could sing that well. And also Bobby has just so much attitude and so much, charisma, I would say, but as a bad boy charisma, you know what I mean? But that was pretty amazing. So make sure that you continue just on my channel, guys. I'm gonna continue doing their songs in the near future. Remember, I always try to create kind of like a schedule. Sometimes because this year I'm working, it's gonna be a mess, but yeah, I'm doing the best I can. And remember to check my other playlists and support my other videos in the channel, not only your personal favorite. Because if not, that's not fair with all the work that I put together here for you. Okay, I'm gonna see you guys in the next one. Make sure you check my other playlists, and yeah, I'll see you soon.